your scary box, rocket fuel, and inspiration. Now, every property investor has to start somewhere, and when you've never done anything before, it sometimes sits in your scary box.
When the road is long and you feel so small, just look inside, stand up tall.
Look, getting that first buy-to-let mortgage can be scary. You start thinking, what if I don't find a tenant to rent it out? How am I going to pay the mortgage? And all these negatives start clouding in, and you're thinking, what if? And even experienced investors, when they're trying something or progressing to a level they've never done before, get the same sort of doubts. It's pretty natural. We all do it. There comes a point when you've got to say, stop. If you keep focusing on negative outcomes, that's what you're going to attract. So the first step is to install a positive mindset. Now, start with focus on the benefits of being a property investor. Hey, have you subscribed yet? Click that subscribe button down there and that dingy belly thing so you don't miss any of my videos when they're released, which is every week. Great, thanks. I almost forgot, Instagram. Click that button too. Look, it's down there. Thanks. Know that if you do your due diligence on the property you buy and you set your rent at a reasonable level, then you'll get a tenant. Do some due diligence on the tenant and do your best to make sure it's a good tenant that's going to look after your property, pay the rent on time. Demand for residential property in the UK is pretty much at record levels. And if you're taking your first step into maybe commercial property or even short-term Airbnb style letting, well, there's demand there too. Now, there's nearly always a way to resolve challenges. Sometimes it's asking better questions. In many cases, it's just learning what works and what doesn't in the fastest possible time. If you're in any type of property investment, focusing on what could go right and mitigating what could go wrong is the way to move forward. Being an investor is not just about investing your money. It's about investing your time, learning new skills, increasing your knowledge, and most importantly of all, taking action. If you enjoyed watching this video, did you know every Monday morning at 8:30 I do a live Facebook Q&A. So if you want to start the week with checking out some answers to your property finance questions, click the link here.